Hi, I'm Campbell Murray and I'm one of the co-founders of TakeStock.com. We set up TakeStock about 2 years ago because we came across an opportunity in the food industry where we found a ridiculous amount of waste sitting around in various parts of the supply chain, mainly at the back of factories initially. And we thought, wonder why this is happening. And when we went to speak to some of these customers that had this problem, they told us that invariably the effort involved in trying to find a buyer for it didn't quantify the amount of energy involved in getting rid of stuff. So that brings me nicely to LEAF. So when we met up with LEAF last year and we had a long conversation about what we're trying to do and what LEAF's trying to do, we felt there was a really interesting overlap in the commercial part of a sustainable model for farming. So how does it work? So as a grower, you would download the TakeStock app onto your mobile phone. If you haven't got a smartphone, you can just do this on the web at www.takestock.com. But if you have a mobile phone, either an Android or an Apple phone, you can download our app. It's a free app. And what that allows you to do is get up and running from the app without needing to go on the web. We built the app so that you can do everything you need to do in TakeStock on the app. You never have to go back to the web. The model is that you then go on there, you create a basic account, it takes about 5 minutes. You then list product you want to sell. We market it to our base. In the last year, we've had about 30,000 users on TakeStock, so it's a considerable size base now. And when you create that advert, you'll be asked to tell us your certifications. And obviously, you'll be a LEAF certified farm. So you'll find LEAF as one of the options in the certification. And if you select that button, the LEAF logo will appear in your adverts, which we think gives great credibility to both your profile and the advert profile on TakeStock. Our normal commercial model at TakeStock is designed to be risk-free for everyone. So we don't charge any of our customers any money up front to join or to list products. It's free for everyone. Our normal commission rate on successful sale is 15%. That is the only money we charge. LEAF have negotiated with us on your behalf to get a discount on that. So nationally, we're offering through LEAF a 10% commission to all LEAF members. This is exclusive to LEAF and exclusive to LEAF members only. And what that does is it enables you guys to come on board, try us out without any risk at all. If you don't sell it, you've wasted a couple of minutes of your life. And hopefully you've had some fun creating that advert. So good news, you've received an offer and you are on your app. You have three choices. You can accept the offer as it is, you can reject the offer, or you can counter the offer. About 80% of the transactions that go through in TakeStock have used the counter trade button, which allows the two parties to get into that dialogue and make things happen. But either way, if you accept it or you counter it, hopefully you'll get to the conclusion and you'll make a successful sale. The app will then guide the buyer to make payment on his end. We will never ask you to release product until the payment has been received. So the buyer pays in advance, money's in our bank account, our escrow bank account at Barclays. You then release the product when we tell you it's safe to do so. We would encourage you, if possible, to get involved in making logistics easy for the buyer. That doesn't mean to say you absorb the cost. One of the options in there is that you can arrange delivery, but you charge for that on top, depending on where it's going. Assuming there's no problems, everything goes through, you will be paid within 5 working days. So it's a very quick cash flow for farmers, this. If there is a dispute, we will freeze the payment and we'll look into it with you. We've only ever had one the 2 years that we've been trading. And so we think pretty much, if you're selling it as described accurately, you won't get any problems. Now, this partnership with LEAF, we think is really innovative for several reasons. Number one is it gives, for the first time, a truly integrated partnership. So hence we're bringing the LEAF certification into the sales process. So when a buyer comes in, they can see this is a LEAF certified farm, and we think that gives great credibility to both you and to us that LEAF are partnering with us to enable this trade to go through.